please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you are already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Look at what this M1 right here, our Xtools M1 machine did. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, believe. Yes, we gotta believe. This turned out absolutely amazing. I am so happy. This was my first time doing a wood laser engraving. First time ever, and it was absolutely amazing. I am so excited. This is so dope because this is an ornament. Oh, and it's a couple things that you could do with it because it doesn't give you like the hole for the hoop. You can wrap it up with some ribbon, hang it up on a tree. I would do a thinner ribbon. This was just the closest one to me, but that's how you can use the ornament and put it on a tree however you like. Yeah, but I love this. This is my first time using it, and y'all, I'm in love. Before we jump right into the video, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you can know when the videos come up. But let's jump into the video, y'all. Let go. So here's a quick disclaimer. I purchased this probably about a month ago, and I made this video probably about a month ago, and when I purchased this, it did not have that hole, as you guys can see, for it to hang. So I'm assuming that they re-uploaded this because this is not the one that I purchased, which is great for you guys, but now I've got to re-download it so I can have that little hole too, because I didn't have it. But anywho, I got this from Fabrica, the Christmas ornaments laser cut. And yeah, this was not the one that I had, but they fixed it. So now you do not have to put a ribbon on there. It has a hole for you to put a string through it, which, like I said, is great for you guys. But yeah, my Fabrica link will be down in the description. So let's get to the video. So in my welcome package, I did receive this 3mm basswood, and this is what I'll be using for the project for today. It looks really nice. I'm going to show you how it looks on the front, and then the thickness and everything is really cute. So we're going to go ahead and get our triangle prisms, and we're going to put these in the bottom of the M1 Xtool machine. Okay, so we're going to place those down. I didn't know how close or how far apart to put them, so I just put them a nice length apart, and then I did go ahead and put the wood on top. This was my first time. When I say I was nervous, I was nervous. So now we are inside of the creative space, and I went ahead and uploaded the image. Like I told you before, I did this a few weeks ago. So yep, I uploaded that image there, and I would have went ahead and selected it, but it was already in there. I was just showing you how to upload inside of the creative space because this is all new for us. Okay, so the image came inside of the space, and then we can just play around with the sizing. So I was just trying to think about my Christmas tree and if it was an ornament, etc. So I just played around with it. You can play around with it however you see fit. Okay, so as I'm doing that, the camera comes on inside of the M1 machine. So if you guys didn't know, there is an actual camera in the inside, and I love it because it actually captures the wood and everything. So now I had a size in mind, and I'm going to actually play around with it again now that I see it against the actual wood. That's one of my favorite features because you can see the exact placement and everything on there. So now I have that set. We have the selection for laser flat selected. Okay, this is extremely important because we want to make sure we're using the laser. If the correct selection is not selected, it will be telling the M1 Xtool to do another process. Okay, so make sure it says laser flat. This particular project, once that's set, we can go to the next process. I'm going to go over to my materials, and I'm going to select the 3mm basswood plywood under the materials, and I think that's super cool because it allows you to select the exact material that you're using. Then it's gonna, you can actually measure it. So I auto measured it just to see what it was gonna say, but then it says height. So I said, oh wait, let me click that it's on the triangular prisms. Now remember, this is my first time doing this. Before, the only thing I did was vinyl, so I was brand new to this. So once I did the triangular prism, it actually started moving around again with the image, because now it knows that it's up a little bit more. So now that it knows that, it did the auto measuring how thick it is. I went ahead and moved it over again. So all of these things are important. The material, the thickness, if it's elevated, so the height, if it's on those triangular prisms, all of these things are really important for you. Now that it knows what it's capturing, the thickness and all of that, it can give us the proper laser cut that we need so that we can be successful. So make sure you're selecting all of the proper things, and make sure that you're paying attention to the image so you can move it over and it can be on the wood or whatever material that you're using correctly. So now we have that set, and I'm actually checking out the Xtools reference, because they have references already built in on what they think you should use. And what I did was I took that paper material to see what they said was the selections, to see if they match. So let's see if they actually match. So this is the actual premium package material for Xtools, and it shows for each of the materials that they provided with that premium package what the measurements would be. So for this one, it is the base wood plywood 3mm. I'm using the device, the M110W. So for a laser cut, it will be 100% power, 4mm speed, and 1 pass. Okay. And then it talks about the precautions, and that's why I'm making sure things are ventilated, and I'm using my smoke purifier. All right, so this is directly from Xtools. Let's compare it to what Xtools has saved here. So it does show that the power is 100%. It does show that, so that matches. However, the speed down here is selected at 5, which, you know me, I always like things more, so I think that's perfectly fine. We're going to go ahead and see what it does. So I just pressed process, and then now we have the image up here showing the expected time. The expected time is a little bit off. It takes a little bit longer than the expected time that's here, but that's okay. It's talking about framing and all of those things, and then we went ahead and pressed start. And once I pressed start, this tips box came up, and it gave us some tips as well as some cautions, like do not leave this unattended. It told us to press that complete button on the actual machine so we can get it started. Once you press that, it shows the estimated time, then the processing time, and let's see what it looks like actually cutting the wood. This is the first cut, my first wood cut ever, y'all. Look at it go. And I'll let you guys hear it a little bit so you can hear how loud or how not so loud that it is. Exciting is this? So I decided to get closer, y'all. Look how good it is. So I'm gonna let y'all just see how it's cutting, and yeah, it literally took maybe 5 minutes, if that, but it literally is like mesmerizing to watch, in my opinion. You guys, I'm absolutely in love with this. So this is what the screen looks like, and then it shows you that it's complete. It pops up a tip, says it is complete, and then you can click done, and there you go. And then this is how it looked. You guys, how adorable is this? Like, seriously, look at that up close. Look how good that looks. And that wood looks good. That looks good. I'm really, really happy at how this turned out, guys. I love it. You guys, did y'all see how smooth? Do y'all see how nice and smooth this look? Like, This M1X tool did that. It did it completely. It left no crumbs. It did it. Okay, it was absolutely amazing. I love this, and I cannot wait to show you guys more projects. I have so many more. I have so many more projects that I want to do. But yeah, y'all, I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. But that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamers. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram. Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok. Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there here. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.